Hey, Scott Murray here at Level 5 Tools. I want to introduce you to our new compound tube. We've been thinking about this for a long time. There's a lot of different compound tubes out there, but again, we wanted to do something that was a little bit more substantial and certainly easier to clean and really effective. So you can see here, this is a new compound tube. We've used this D handle design, kind of taken that from the garden arena to give you a little bit more grip whenever you're trying to load that. We've got these high quality latches on the top that hold the cone on. You pop those two latches off, the cone pops right off. Got a rubber seal in there, so that's easy to disassemble and clean. The other thing we did was on the bottom side of this is we actually have a press fit cap. So you just pop that cap off, so I can actually get inside that as well from both ends to make sure that I get this perfectly clean, which is different than most other brands have screws down there or something like that that really aren't as convenient. So again, a rubber seal in there and it's press fit in there. You got to put some pressure back on there to get it reassembled, but once that's in there, you get absolutely incredible suction, you know, on this tool. So you're going to find this to be lightweight, very, very efficient. We also have our proprietary urethane rubber material for the plunger. So again, you'll see just very, very smooth operation from tip to tail. The other thing we've added on with this is our box filler. So you can just snap this on to the end of this cap and use that to fill your boxes, your flat boxes. So you can use this as an application tool for your flushers, for your corner finishers. You can also use it to fill your flat boxes. So you'll find this to be a very, very versatile tool, extremely well built, fairly priced, and again, there's innovation in here that's meaningful. Easy to clean, easy to disassemble, easy to repair if necessary, and again, very flexible. So it's something you're going to add to your arsenal of automatic drywall taping or semi-automatic finishing products. Again, you can check this out at level5tools.com, and welcome to the Red Zone.